So let's get started with today's training because today is my favorite. Before we jumped on, Chelsea was like, you seem so relaxed today. And I'm like, because I can't wait to teach this episode or this series because this is one of my favorite things to talk about, and that's conversation agility. But as a reminder, with everything, we're looking at competency, skills, coaching, and real life application to create behavior change. And so the competencies that we're going to work on in this model, and you'll start to see these competencies are showing up in multiple sessions because, again, competencies are built over multiple skills. So we're thinking about leading projects, leading organizations, so delivering the strategy. One of the competencies I love to talk about, delivering the strategy, because at the end of the day, that's what we all get paid for, right? Results, delivering that strategy. Creating innovation, leading people through change. This type of understanding of how to listen a new way will really help you lead people through change. And that's really all we do anymore in today's world, is every day is a new day and we're always leading through change. We're going to also think about effective communication and developing others, conflict management. Very specifically a few things around conflict management that will come up because when we're in fear, a lot of times we create conflict. And I'm going to help you start to listen for that in your team so that you can address it. All right. And then the skills you're going to learn today, you're going to start to be able to hear mental roadblocks in others. In our first session, we talked about your own mental roadblocks, right? Your own need to stay within your mind map and not expand it. But today we're going to help you not only expand your own, but your entire team. You're going to start to think about what type of limiting beliefs are they holding on to, because there are different types of limiting beliefs, and knowing what type they are helps you to think about how to change the conversation. And again, we're going to talk about reframe, refocus, and redirecting conversations so that individuals move past their limiting beliefs and they expand their mind map. I want you guys to just imagine a team with a leader, that's you, that is expanding their mind map comfortably all the time. And you're constantly thinking about how big or what's next or how could this, be possible. And then imagine you're that way as a leader, and imagine every single person on your team had that. That could be incredible. It could be powerful. It could take an organization and change everything about it if we were able to lead in a way where people were expanding their mind maps and reducing fear. And we're going to talk about how to do that. So is that like just not a beautiful world to think about? I think it'd be pretty awesome.